The first date was over, and the boy accompanied the girl home. The girl was very beautiful, especially her lips, which were incredibly sensual. The boy really wanted to kiss the girl. When they arrived at the girl's doorstep, the boy placed one hand on the wall and affectionately said to the girl,
"Darling, tonight I don't want to say goodnight to you. I want to replace it with our first kiss. Is that okay?"
The girl shyly replied,
"Oh, no. My parents might see us."
"No one will see us in the middle of the night."
"No, please don't. Just imagine what would happen if my family caught us."
"Darling, please don't refuse me. Your family is asleep, and there's no one around."
"No, it's too risky."
"Oh, please, I'm begging you. I love you so much."
No, I love you too, but I can't agree to it."
"Oh, please, just give in to me. Just one kiss, I'm begging you."
Unfortunately, to their disappointment, the light at the doorstep suddenly turned on. The girl's sister, wearing her pajamas and with messy hair, appeared at the door. The little girl yawned lazily and said,
"Sister, Dad says to make up your mind. Give him a kiss, or I can do it for you. Or, if necessary, Dad can come out and kiss him himself. But please, tell him not to shout loudly. And please ask him to move his hand away and stop pressing the intercom button."